Hey YouTube, Selkill here, and is Earth the only planet in the universe with life? It may seem like that's the case because we haven't seen any messages from any other civilizations. However, if you think about it, it's incredibly unlikely because although life at the scale of humans requires a bunch of different things to go the right way in order to create something as complex as a human, or a tiger, or a giraffe, to create something as simple as bacteria, it doesn't need as much because there's simply far fewer atoms in them, so it's far more likely for a group of atoms the size of bacteria to coalesce into something like bacteria. And you may have heard in the news about the potential signs of life on a planet that has been recently discovered. But why do people think that there could be life on this planet? Well, Kepler 2 18b, which was around 124 light years away from us, so a very long distance away, which means, of course, we're seeing it 124 years in the past. So even if it had life 124 years ago, it could technically have all lost it since then. But that's very unlikely. Anyway, this planet, they believe, contains a chemical in its atmosphere that is only produced on Earth through the actions of phytoplankton and bacteria. And these objects, during their respiratory cycles, release this certain chemical, and they discovered it in this planet by viewing it with these special lenses, and these allow them to test objects far away in order to see what their atmospheres are composed of. And I mean, it's not like this planet would be habitable though. It's 8 times the size of Earth and its atmosphere is mainly hydrogen. But if it contains life though, even if we won't really be able to check for a very long time at least, it could massively change our understanding of the universe, because then it would prove that life is actually rather common in our universe. If objects only 124 light years away are able to have life, considering the universe is, well, a lot bigger than 124 light years away, it's 93 billion by 93 billion light years at least, life is very abundant throughout the universe, even if it may not be complex enough to be able to do things like send signals out to us, or who knows, maybe they have actually sent signals out to us, or just in the general direction of our solar system, but it's just we haven't received them yet. That could also change fundamentally our idea of the universe.